is everything. Is everything. What is meant to be will be.
Hey everyone, what's up? Mona B here. So today I am back with a video, and you guys are gonna be deep conditioning with me. So yeah, that's basically what we're gonna be doing today. No, this is not a going natural video. If you were looking forward to that video, it should be up a little later this week, hopefully. But yeah, just stay tuned. So today I thought that I would use some products on my hair that I used to use as a child in the 90s, growing up, and way before I was actually natural. So I'm going to use products that was used on my hair when I was relaxed. Well, some of these products was used on my hair when I was natural. Because you know when you're younger, your parent, well, my mom didn't relax my hair when I was super young. But yeah, I used to use this back in the day. So I'm going to go ahead and like deep condition my hair thoroughly, because you guys know in my Going Natural series, I have been deep conditioning my hair, but I'm going to sit under the dryer and everything today because I'm really trying to prepare my hair for the summer, because I'm going to wear my hair out more this summer. Try not to wear wigs and stuff. We'll see how that goes. So the Old Faithful that I will be using today, and you guys have to let me know in the comments if you have ever used this. I'm sure you probably have though, because it's for the Lolo. It's the Queen Helene Cholesterol Hair Conditioning Cream. Restores shine and manageability for dry and over processed hair. So hence why I used to always use this when I was younger and when I was relaxed, because it's for processed hair. But I'm pretty sure it's going to work the same on my natural hair. It's going to work good, because it used to work pretty good on my relaxed hair. I have used this while I was natural, but it's been years ago, way before I even got on YouTube, you guys. Probably like back in 2010 when I was like transitioning. I haven't used this in so long. But if you're unfamiliar with it, this is just what it looks like. And it was like $2, I think. It's really inexpensive. So I'm going to just tell you guys what this is for if you're unfamiliar. But basically, it's the original quick rinsing formula. Uses deep conditioner cholesterol to replenish, moisturize, over-processed hair. It softens your hair, gives you a healthy sheen and long manageability. So that's what it's supposed to do. So what you're supposed to do, and I follow the instructions. Normally I don't follow instructions, but for this video I was like, let me go ahead and follow the instructions. So it says shampoo your hair, towel dry, which I have done. Apply cholesterol cream generously to hair and scalp for best results. Cover hair with a plastic cap, then with a heating cap or hot towel. Keep on for 15 to 30 minutes. Remove, rinse out, blah, 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 blah. So I already shampooed my hair off camera. I just used my mane and tail shampoo. I did not use the conditioner, because basically I'm just going to use this as my conditioner. Like I'm just going to rinse it out and that'll be it, since my hair is already cleansed. And then I just bought me some caps. I actually don't like these. I'm going to be honest. I don't like caps, but yeah. So that's what I'm going to be using for the first part of the video. And so my hair is freshly washed, guys. And if you're new to my channel and have no clue as to what my hair looks like or what type of hair I have type 4 natural hair. I have all of the textures of type 4 in my hair, but primarily I have 4C natural hair, and my hair is super, well, it's not super, but it's fine. It's on the finer side. I don't have dense hair. So yeah, I'm actually going to do this the right way today, since my hair is already washed and everything. It's going to be easy for me to part through my hair. I'm going to legit do it how I used to do it when I was relaxed, guys. I'm not going to do the most, because I feel like, and I know a lot of you guys probably feel like this too, like when a lot of people have relaxed hair, or even when I had relaxed hair, we didn't spend a lot of money on hair products. And nowadays, of course, with the natural hair movement and everything, we spend a ton of money on hair products, which is fine, because I even like buying hair products and trying new stuff. I'm going to detangle as I do this, because my hair does need to be detangled. What it looks like. No, I never could figure out what this smells like to me. It smells like cheap lotion. I mean, that's what it smells like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the back of my hair off camera, and then I'll come back and... Why is my nose so itchy? I feel like I'm steady feeling like I have to dig in my nose, and y'all going to think I'm digging for gold, but I'm not. Okay, y'all. So I have already did the back section of my hair. I just saturated it and made sure I got it on my scalp as well. So it feels really good, just like I remember. And I am just kind of doing section by section type of thing. And once I'm done, like, this is me deep conditioning for real, y'all, the right way. Once I'm done, I won't use the clips anymore because, like I said, they're pointless after this point because I'm literally just going to rinse my hair out. And I don't wash my hair in sections anymore because it just never works out for me personally. It feels really soft. I can just run my hands through my hair. And yeah, making sure I get it on my scalp. Cause y'all, my scalp is dry. Like, my scalp be dry, okay? Like, I have to moisturize my scalp. And I use a generous amount because I need to make sure that my hair is getting coated. Okay, y'all, so I got the dryer behind me. And so this is what my hair is looking like so far. Well, y'all might not be able to tell, but I got some definition going, but you probably can't tell. I use not half of it, but I use a generous amount. So now I'm just going to take my cap and sit under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes. And if you guys are wondering, this hooded dryer is from Sally's. Y'all, so it has been 30 minutes. I've sat under the dryer. As you guys can see, my hair has completely shrunken up. My hair is super moist. My hair feels great. It feels good. So I'm gonna rinse it out and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I rinsed out my hair, and yeah, so that's just gonna act as my deep conditioner, my everything, my conditioner. But yes, my hair is super soft, and I noticed that my hair is a lot more defined from doing it that way. Yeah, like I used to do it before I got lazy, because I've been natural for so long that after a long time you get lazy. But yeah, my hair is super moist and it feels really good. Like really good, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I have some definition going on. Will I use it again? Yes, it's an Old Faithful. I've been using it most of my life, especially when I was younger. So yeah, I definitely would use it again. Made my hair feel really soft. My scalp is really nice and clean and moisturized. So I'm liking it. My hair is pretty dry, like it's getting dry. I don't like to style my hair on super wet hair. I just don't. And if you guys didn't know, t-shirts are really good to dry your hair. They pull out a lot of the water. So yeah, more than a towel would. So I prefer a t-shirt. And then your hair isn't getting snagged and caught on the strands of the towel. I like to style my hair on damp hair. It just works better. I feel like when I style my hair wet, it's damaging my hair. I don't know. But you guys probably thought your girl was done here, but I'm not. So we're going to be using some Blue Magic. Now, I know you guys have probably heard of Blue Magic. Everybody has used Blue Magic. And we used to use the blue one when I was younger. And this is the one that no one liked. It's the one that has like the herbs and stuff in it. It has the Japanese green tea leaves. And a lot of people don't like this one. It doesn't bother me because I actually have like oils that actually have these leaves in it. And it's perfectly fine. They're not like all over my hair or anything like that. But yeah, this one actually says that it's for natural styles, hair and scalp conditioner, Blue Magic original, made with shea butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves, super sure grow. So this is what the new packaging looks like. It still looks like the original one for the most part. And it smells sweet. It smells like candy. I'm actually just going to use this as my leave-in conditioner and everything. I'm not even about to do the lock method today. And I know somebody's in the comments about to scream. Well, actually, wait. I'm gonna use a tad bit of my Eden Body Works leave-in, just a little bit, not a lot, not like I normally would. And that's all I'm gonna use. Magic is gonna act as my styler, and it's gonna act as my moisturizer. And I'm just gonna use this. I've never really styled my hair with just using this. We used to just use this to oil our scalp when I was younger. But yeah. But it has petroleum. But this one has a lot of oils. And I don't remember this particular one back in the day having this many oils in it. So they definitely have upgraded. I'm going to be braiding down my hair because this weekend I actually am going to be wearing my wigs or whatever. You guys are seeing this. It'll be after the weekend. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my hair together. Going to take it out and I'll show you guys like the results from using the grease, like if I have a lot of definition or whatever the case may be. But I'm sure you guys have used Blue Magic. If you haven't, I don't know where you've been at, honey. This stuff has been around since, let me see, does it even have the year on it? Child, this stuff been around way before I was born. So many different kinds now. Y'all, this feels so good. And the thing about this is, a lot of people have been using, you know, I'm going to go ahead and grease my scalp too. A lot of people don't like to grease their scalp and stuff. And I was taught, and I think a lot of people were taught growing up, that it clogs your hair follicle. But honey, my scalp need it. Because if I don't put anything on my scalp is going to be dry, flaky, itchy, and everything else. So I'll make sure to apply product onto my scalp. I'm gonna braid my hair down. I'm sure you guys don't really want to see that, so I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. So I braided my hair down. Now these braids are jacked up, so y'all know I love y'all if I'm gonna show y'all my jacked up braids. Usually I don't put much effort into trying to make my braids look good because number one, they're gonna get fuzzy. Number two, I'm just gonna be wearing a wig. It doesn't matter. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like, y'all. Really quick, boom, boom, jacked up braids. There. So yeah, I just twisted the ends or whatever, but y'all, my hair feels so good. This Blue Magic, okay, on natural hair. I don't know. This might be a staple, but my hair is feeling really good and soft with the combination. It's super moisturized. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my silk scarf. I'm just gonna tie it on my head because I know that I'm gonna be leaning back on my headboard and stuff, and I don't want my headboard to be greased up. So basically I'm just gonna tie my hair up, and then I'm going to come back to you guys in about, okay, today is, y'all gonna be seeing this late, so it'll be about 3 days. So I'm going to come back in about 3 days and I will be showing you guys the results of my hair, how my hair looks once I take the braids out. Is it still moisturized? Is it still soft after me wearing my units? But y'all, that combination with the cholesterol and the Blue Magic, and it's for the low. I only spent like $4 and some change, so like under $5 I think for both of these together. Girl, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, so you guys look forward to the update on this video because it definitely will be up in some days. If y'all enjoyed it, I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.